If you work with a list, you can reach the error, and it's called index error. What does it mean? For example, if you have a list of products like mobile, computer, tablet, for example like this, and you would like to print products, and you would like to print number 3. It means index 3. But the problem is that index 3 doesn't exist, right? Because mobile its index is 0, computer has index 1, tablet is or has index 2. So number 3 isn't here. So I will run it, and you will see that here you can see index error. It means list index out of range. So it means that you in your code there is some number which is on some index which is out of the range of your list. Like here we have only 0, 1, 2, but we would like to number 3, and number 3 isn't here. So if you will see something like this, you would know what to do and what is the problem.